Wak berdiri ni. Wak berdiri munduk ni, berdiri munduk wak ni.
The Royal Malaysia Police has tightened Malaysia-Thailand border security following a bomb explosion and gunfire which occurred in the wee hours of Monday in Kampung Pasemas, Sungai Golok. The sounds of the gunfire and explosion could be heard from as far as a village in Rantau Panjang, Kelantan, where videos were shared on social media.
Oh. Sepuluh duduk palas tingnya ni. Oh, bongolok.
Bernama reported that 4 Thai security personnel in a 4-wheel drive vehicle were on their way to Sungai Golok when the bomb exploded. The bomb was believed to have been planted by wanted criminals. The suspects also fired several shots at the security personnel. Following the incident, Thai security forces tightened controls and closed several illegal crossings along the border to prevent the suspects from entering and exiting the border. Inspector General of Police Tan Sri Razaruddin Hussain also said that the Malaysian police will collaborate with Thai authorities in addressing the case.